Hi, this is Cheryl-Elman from the Dave Elman Hypnosis Institute in the United States. I'm really pleased to invite you to the inaugural International SleepTalk Summit being held March 18th through the 21st in Vietnam. I'm really excited about attending a conference that's totally centered around sleep talk and sleep talk for children, with trainers and consultants from around the world, being able to get together and really meld our ideas and share with each other and help bring it to the next level. I've had such a pleasure watching Sleep Talk grow. As the president of the Dave Elman Hypnosis Institute, I was going to conferences with my husband, and I met Joan Goulding in 2011 at Shelley Stockwell's IHF, International Hypnosis Federation conference in California. We, just like the team building that we are planning or will get to experience in Vietnam at this summit, this is how Shelley's conference used to be set up. We ate all our meals together, we got to sit and talk with each other, we got to network, and we got to meet people from around the world. And it's through these conferences each year that I have met people that have taken us to new countries and new places and new customers, new clients, new trainees, and new cultures over the years. It was Joan Goulding in 2011 that invited us to Australia, and it was me that invited her to several more conferences back here in the United States. It is that networking that helps you grow your business. So my speaking engagements at the conference is built on two things: utilizing conferences to build your business, and also think global and act local. So whatever business you're in, you might be a therapist, you might be a social worker, you might be a hypnotist, you might be a mom that just really loves sleep talk and decided to become a consultant. Whatever your background is, you get to bring all those skills with you. And whatever your background is, you get to grow your business. Grow it by going out and speaking to groups. Now, with hypnosis, there are many groups that are not very open, especially here in sort of the Bible Belt in North Carolina. They're not as open to having me come and talk about hypnosis. A lot of people have preconceived notions. But the mere fact that you are consultants or trainers and you are discussing how parents get to talk to their children 2 to 3 minutes a night during their sleep, that helps them build their self-esteem and their emotional resilience, that you're giving them a gift that lasts a lifetime. Parents are very open to this. They're very curious and they want to hear more. Educators are really curious about this, because think about that child acting up in the classroom and how well this can go with education. Think of all the different possibilities churches would open you with open arms. So utilizing your business, utilizing your skills, and thinking beyond just the hypnosis conference, going to conferences with resource management from large corporations, going to conferences that are medical, that are educational conferences, all those things, whether you're attending or whether you're having a booth where you can explain things more, these are all just a few of the little tidbits that you're going to learn and the nuggets you'll take away from this conference. My friend Helen Midas, she always jokes with me. We seem to have bumped into each other in about 4 or 5 conferences in the last year and a half. And she always says to me, when she goes to a conference, she always picks up just a nugget, one little nugget of new knowledge that can be used in a different way. One time it was just how somebody answered a question from a participant in the audience and how he fielded that question. That was, like, for her, groundbreaking. For me, last year she got something from one of my deepeners or something I said. I don't even remember what it was now, but she told me that was the nugget she came to St. Louis for. So I'm telling you, just imagine a whole 3 days of not only one hearing from different people from around the world that are doing this successfully, not only doing that and picking up all those different nuggets and things to fill up your toolbox and feel more confident in what you're doing. Think also of the team building activities and the excitement, and this is well priced and you have plenty of time to do this. So I am looking forward to seeing you in Vietnam. So see you there. Bye.